A drone is flying horizontally at a constant height of 30 root 3 meters. Suppose this is a ground level. The drone is flying at a height of 30 root 3, that is this height, 30 root 3 meters. At one point, it is directly above a zebra beside a pond. Assume this is the position of the zebra and the drone is exactly above it. Let's mark this position of the drone as D. The drone then continues flying straight for another 30 meters. Okay, so it has traveled another 30 meters. Let the new position of the drone be D dash. From this new position, the drone looks back at the zebra and observes it at an angle of depression, say theta. That is, this angle is theta. Draw a diagram illustrating this situation and calculate the value of theta showing all working. dz d dash. In this, dz is 30 root 3 and d dash is 30. With respect to angle theta, again we have the opposite and the adjacent. So tan theta is equal to dz upon d dash. Tan theta is dz is 30 root 3 upon d dash is 30. So tan theta is root 3, which implies theta is equal to 60 degree.